First, go to facebook.com/ads-manager/creation. Give it some time to load. Yes, so it's taking some time to load. Good. So this is the interface you're going to see, and with different ad objectives. Oops, sorry. So I've been trying to create an ad before. It's showing me if I should continue or start all over. So I'm going to start all over. You should always choose the conversion objective. If you choose traffic, engagement, and all of that, when you want to sell something, just simply throwing away money. It's not going to convert. So go with conversion. Choose conversion. Come down, allow you to load. I think that good. You'd like to name your campaign. So let's say you run this ad. You're running this ad for t-shirt. So you just say t-shirt. Create A/B testing. This is used when you have to do creative and you want to test to see which one will convert. So the idea is you have two videos of a particular product. There's that option to test and show your audience and see which one converts more before you use. So the winner is what you're going to use and scale. But for this video, we're not testing any ad creative, so just say continue. Now this screen is showing you the dashboard to work with by the right. So if you look at this side, you're going to see each step in creating your ad. The first one here shows you can actually create different ad accounts. So I'm using Ferdinand Egoano to create this ad. Oops, sorry. Here on page. And I've chosen my special ad category. I've chosen the objective, which is conversions. So it's going to take me to dynamic creative now. Up here, you're going to see something like ad set name. I'd advise that you just change it to what you can remember. So use t-shirt ad. Destination allows you to choose where you want to send the traffic to. Do you want them to go to your website, maybe a landing page, or your online store? If you were creating this ad to send people to a new app that you want them to download, you can choose the app destination. But I assume that you want them to contact you on Messenger, send you inbox messages, send you DMs rather. If you want to send them to WhatsApp, choose this. So let's go with Messenger. It's going to load to show you the available audience, 28 million people. Potential reach, 1.3K to 3.9K reach based on 7-day click. So good. What do you do next? If you want to control your cost, just go here, cost control, put the average cost per conversion. How much do you want to spend when somebody takes an action? Or if you don't want to do that, leave that alone. Facebook Pixel works better when you have a website or a landing page. So you copy a code from Facebook and install on that landing page. Then when visitors visit that landing page or the website or the store, Facebook gathers the data, monitors their activity on that website, and then feeds you back with enough data to use when you're targeting people next time. Retargeting campaigns are used to show your ads to people that have seen your ad before. just so that you re-emphasize or show them or give them another opportunity to decide to buy your product or service. But since we are sending them to Messenger, this is not important. So let's go to audience. This is where you choose your audience. So here you just have to leave that blank. See location, you're sending you want to sell to people from Nigeria. Then the age range. What are you selling? If what you're selling is something that people between 18 to 65 years will need, you can leave it like that. But if you look at the buying power of people in Nigeria, do you think people that fall within the age range of 20 to maybe 50, eh? That's too big. Okay, let's say 55 can buy what you're selling. Gender. If you're selling to both, if what you're selling is for both men and women, so just leave this. Else, go for men if you're selling stuff for men. Go for women if you're selling stuff for women. Sometimes I just allow this to be all. If what I'm selling will be used by men or women. Languages, all languages. Sometimes just choose English, or that's fine. If you want to save this audience to use later, you can, but I'm not sure this is important, so just hide this. Move further, automatic placement. If you choose automatic placement, you're telling Facebook to show this ad to people on Instagram, on Facebook, on other ad network or platforms. So if you're not too sure where you want to show people, where you want people to see this ad from, then choose automatic placement. But you're very sure that you have the option to determine the type of audience that will see these ads. Are they on Facebook, on Instagram? You want the ads to be shown on Messenger or on audience network. You can actually advertise on Facebook and show your ads to people elsewhere, outside Facebook. Good. So choose automatic placement. Budget. How much do you want to spend per day? If you want to spend 2,500, you put that there. Is this a daily budget? Is this what you want to spend per day? Or is this your lifetime budget? To have better conversion rate, choose a daily budget. Choose how much you want to spend per day. Okay, so I think we missed one thing. What should we have done? Alright, so detailed targeting. I will not choose the audience to target. If you want people interested in fashion, shopping and fashion, you can choose this. So you notice that the audience size will reduce to 16 million. Show this one. Alright, so 16 million. If you want to narrow down this audience, let's say you're selling t-shirt and you want people who are interested in t-shirt, you can narrow this audience down to 2.2 million people. That's all. One more thing, choose people who are engaged shoppers. So you're telling Facebook to show your ads to only people who are engaged shoppers who have the behavior of buying online. Facebook already knows the algorithm will do that for you. So that's the point. Ignore this. It's not a problem. What are you going to do next? This is a daily budget. Run this ad simultaneously. Okay, so I think we need to increase this budget. Let's say you want to spend 4,000 a day. You're going to reach 1.3k people to 3.9k, and the conversion, estimated conversion rate is between 1 to 10%. But sometimes this doesn't really matter, so just continue. Good. So this is where the magic begins. Choose which page you want to use to run this ad. So for me, I have 100 luxuries. I have Ferdinand Anok. I have Fedi Baba TV. So I'm going to go with 100 luxuries. If you want to show this art on Instagram, you have to first connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account, and then it's going to show here when you press here to give a drop down menu. You click. Now this is the art format. If you have a single image or a single video showing what you want to sell and the kind of action you want people to take, just stick with this. But Carousel is used by Jumia and all these e-commerce platforms. What do? It helps you to put more than one image in the same ad. So what it does is that it's showing as slides, and all of that. So when you choose the Carousel option, you choose either a video or slideshow. I think that's not going to work. So just choose image. You attach image 1. You can upload that from your computer. Excuse me. The computer is a bit slow. Let's go to pictures. I think I have an image here. Good. So let's go with this. Image 1. Upload 0. Wow. So let's try this. Boom, 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 boom. So this is uploading. Let's watch and see.